Mom, I got a treat. Hey, back up. Keegan. Keegan.
Wait,
It's in there. Go get it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's in the box. Roscoe.
Go get it, Key. Go get it.
Not a good idea.
What's he got in there? A treat?
Yeah. Good boy. I got another one. Roscoe.
Over here, Roscoe. Over here. Sit, Roscoe.
Go get it, Key.
Go get it. Where's your treat? Go get it.
There.
Wait. Go get it, Key. Go get it.
Aw, I'm scared of the dark.
You calm in there a little bit, Dad.
Come on, Key. Come on. No. Come on, Key. Roscoe, back up.
Goodbye. Go get it, Key. Go get it, Key. Key, go get it.
Keegan.
Roscoe's got his head in the bag. Look at Roscoe. He's got his head in the bag.
Roscoe, it's a surfing bag for you. Golly.
Drop.
Oh, are you going to make him go in there?
Yeah. No, Roscoe, stay. Keegan, come. Keegan.
Aww.
Keegan. Roscoe, stay. Keegan, come.
I thought Keegan would for sure go after it. He's. Why are you scared, buddy? Oh, now Zach, you gave Keegan's treat to Roscoe.
Make him go in there.
Make her go there, Roscoe.
Look at Key laying back there waiting.
Go get it. Go get it.
Golly. I would have thought Keegan would be in there, not Roscoe.
Whatever.
This dog's fearless.
Yeah, whatever Zach tells him to do.
I mean, he's in the...
Back up.
Good boy.